Is there too much competition with e-commerce? No, get that out of your head, guys. The more competition, the better. When you go to a grocery store and you go to the bread aisle, is there only one brand selling bread? No, there's multiple brands. Why is there multiple brands of bread? Because it's a big billion-dollar industry and everybody wants a piece of that pie, so why not go in, right? Just like when you go to the chips aisle, there's Doritos, there's Cheetos, there's all these types of chips, right? Because people want a piece of that pie, and it's the same thing with e-commerce. It's $1 trillion industry, and by 2026 it's going to be $8.14 trillion. So even if you just had a tiny little piece of that pie, you could be making a lot of money. So stop thinking competition is a bad thing. It's actually a good thing. It tells you that there's demand for the product and a lot of people are buying it so much that there's room for everybody and you can get in and start making a lot of money. So stop wasting time and go make that fucking money online. Let's go!